Courses for IT sector. Nowadays in 2022, most of students want to do courses and everyone was joining IT courses. And for that purpose, they are going from for particular in big city to join classes. But friend, I want to tell you one thing. You don't have to need to join offline coaching. Even also you don't online if possible through books. There are several books on that courses. Through that reading you can also develop your knowledge. And most of students have a mindset, they think after getting a certificate of that course they will get a job. But friend, actually it's not true. You have knowledge on that basis. Even you don't have a certificate and you have advanced knowledge in it, 100% you will place in any company. There is a main language, that's Python, Java and C++. These three languages enough. Or if you want to learn this language, you should start from Python. In Python, if you learn in deep everything, in advanced Python, if you learn, then remaining two language it will be easy, because you have to follow same logic. There will only language will be changed. That's why you will well perform first in Python and automatically remaining language will be easy for you. And friend, that's why you don't need to spend too much money, because in city area there is a highly paid coachings near 1,15,000 for 5 or 6 months. But through online sources, mostly in YouTube, you can learn too much. You don't need to go for that. Only you have to upgrade your knowledge. And if you can't do online, maybe you can join offline, because it will be better if some doubt will be. But you have a capability to do offline. If you are honest with you, then you 100% you should go through YouTube or any online courses, because it will be cheap for you. Instead of you should prefer to do more project, through that your confidence will be improved. That's why I want to tell you, go for it. Join any online, neither join follow any YouTube channel. 100% your skill will be upgrade, because basically what happen when you will selected in any company, you don't have to do 100% what you learn. There will be another domain. For that basis they will they will train you for 5 to 6 months. That's why you have to knowledge about programming only, because after when in any company you have to do work on that basis domain. Those domain are required for company. That's friend, don't spend a lot of money. If you can offline, maybe you should go for offline. If you feel honest, I am telling again. Okay. And friend, if you like this my video, please subscribe and press the bell icon, because friend, like this information I will give you in every one video. Thank you so much. See you next video.